This is Apaches Travels. We're over here in Kingston at Tuff Gong Studios. Tuff Gong is a full-service studio and one of the largest in the Caribbean. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the inside, seeing the recording studios, and also the pressing plant where they produce and make their own records. You might also catch me in the studio for a quick minute. Stay tuned. So this is the rehearsal studio at Tuff Gong Studios. It's where you go and practice before you go to the main studio and put out the big tune. These are the modern ones. It's where they press the records. Tuff Gong records and produces their own tunes. This is the raw material to make the vinyl records. And if it's even old records, you can break them down and bring them back to life with some new tunes. This is the clay dough here. After the vinyl mixture is mixed up, it turns into this material. When it's hot, it's nice and flexible and you can stretch this to make a record. So this is the modern press to make the records. Here's the plates they use to press the sound onto the records here that you see. This is the machine here, the hydraulic press. This is the machine that melts the liquid, comes up, and the clay doughs come here. You grab them, put them in there, and you get the rest of the process. After you're done, you're left with one of those. Trim off the extra, and grind it up, and make another record. This is the lyrics from a song from Ziggy, Marley and the Melody Makers. A lot of Bob Marley's kids were in that group when they were younger. When they got older, they spread out and became their own artists. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try my best over here. Let's go, bro. Ready?
Hey, are you the youth? We have a plan and have some vision. I'll make sure not for me and I'm a Gideon. So when you soon become a man, him know just where you stand. Him know him Poopa saying, so him follow tradition. If Marcus Garvey say if it real, then we some on a pray. Cause knowledge are the key and it will set the people free. And I and the last be is Africa unity. We're raising not just for the swift, for those who can endure. Make sure you have a steady footing in the Zion door and keep them thoughts and pure. Your love is for the poor, but some liquor boy and bust them gun them mama can't afford. It's just a bloody run, the ledger will be done. Highly Selassie say a war, if color is a scar, if we're from every nation, come can live on a bar. So don't care who you are, there's a brighter morning star. It's shining with the talent, tell the people near and far. You see how you research, with science and research. The flesh is the temple, and the temple is the church. Highly Selassie everywhere, some on them on alerts. Them fix up on them corner side like rubbish heap and dirt. Highly Selassie say I want respect for every man. No kid risk, no kid color, not a religion. So make a decision, feed on the division. Cause each and every rasta youth they trap on the mission. Big up the studio, thank you Bill.
Vai ter um programa comigo.
Vou open the kitchen.
Não é.
Sir. I tried. It wasn't money. I can't do the hook parts, but I tried to get the Damian Marley part, you know. Room.
Just tell me that.
Yeah, stop it. I mean, say, yeah, boy, you come for one down your place, my God. You got the last part, that's the part I think I did the best on.
Yeah.
Hey, from jungle to Rima, from Tivoli to Massachusetts.